and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Calcutta High Court orders State Election Commission to deploy more central forces than 2013 polls. Actor Ameesha Patel to appear before Ranchi Court on July 10th in the 2018 cheque bounce case. Bombay High Court upholds removal of chairman and members of SC/ST Commission. Kerala High Court overturns single bench verdict that held appointment of Priya Varghese invalid. Telangana High Court directs Centre, State and NMC to provide reservation to candidate under transgender quota for 2023 PG admissions. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. After the Supreme Court on June 20th affirmed the order passed by the High Court of Calcutta for deployment of central forces during West Bengal Panchayat polls, the Calcutta High Court ordered the West Bengal State Election Commission to deploy more central forces as were done during the 2013 polls. The decision by the court comes amidst allegations from opposition in the state that the ruling party, Trinamool Congress, is using violent and intimidating tactics to discourage candidates from filing nominations for the upcoming Panchayat polls scheduled on July 8th. The state has witnessed many violent incidents, claiming 8 lives in various parts, and including the incident of TMC worker being beaten to death and another of throwing crude bombs in Birbhum. The High Court asked the State Election Commission to ask for 82,000 Central Force personnel in the next 24 hours. Actor Ameesha Patel, who surrendered before the Ranchi Civil Court on June 17th in the 2018 cheque bounce case, has been allowed to appear physically before the said court on July 10th. The actor had filed a petition seeking an exemption from personal appearance after the court ordered for her appearance on June 21st. The Ranchi Civil Court granted conditional bail to Patel after her surrender in the 2018 case, when Ameesha had come to Ranchi for an event and met businessman Ajay Kumar Singh, who owns Lovely World Entertainment. Ameesha had a movie financed by the businessman, which did not come on the floor and was never made. Singh demanded that his money be returned and Ameesha then gave him a cheque of Rs 2.50 crores, which bounced. Ameesha has been in news for a similar cheque bounce case in 2021, when her cheque worth Rs 32.25 lakhs to UTF Telefilms bounced. The division bench of the High Court of Bombay, comprising Justices Gautam Patel and Neela Gokhale, while hearing a petition challenging the December 2022 order of the government that cancelled the appointments of many official and non-official members appointed under the Maharashtra State Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. The petitioners alleged that the changes were made by the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde only with a view to accommodate the supporters of the ruling party, and that the cancellation of their appointments was arbitrary and against public interest. The High Court, however, held that changes in the government were part of the democratic process, and change in policy decisions could not be termed as arbitrary or malified, while rejecting the petition seeking to set aside the government order. The division bench of the Kerala High Court, comprising Justices A.K. Jayashankar Nambiar and Mohammad Niaz CP, upheld the recommendation for Priya Varghese's appointment as Associate Professor in Kannur University. The single-judge bench had ruled to reconsider the recommendation for the post, citing University Grants Commission norms of 2018 that mandated 8 years of teaching experience, of which Priya fell short. The division bench overturned the decision of the single bench, passed on November 17, 2022 by Justice Devan Ramachandran, while stating that the single bench erred while giving the verdict. Interestingly, Priya Varghese is the wife of CM Pinarayi Vijayan's private secretary. On a petition by Dr. Koyala Ruth John Paul, a transgender woman belonging to the scheduled caste, the Telangana High Court directed the Centre, State and the National Medical Commission to provide reservation under the transgender quota for admission to postgraduate medical courses in 2023. The petitioner submitted that she appeared for NEET PG 2023 examination and secured 291 marks out of 800. However, she was only considered for the SC quota, and the transgender quota was completely overlooked. The division bench of the High Court, comprising the Chief Justice Ujjal Bhuyan and Justice N. Tukaramji, noted that the benefit of third gender status should be extended to the petitioner, in addition to the SC status, while considering admission in any of the courses, either under the central or the state quota, for NEET PG 2023, in a manner beneficial to the petitioner. The matter has been posted for next hearing on July 20th. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.